You mentioned in one talk 68 FDA approvals. AI algorithms pretty good. I mean, I wasn't expecting that high. Maybe it's more now.
Um, I have a couple different places I look, and unfortunately, I don't know anyone at the FDA to like email me when a new one comes through. But if you know, if anyone on the call knows one, please email me. I'll happily connect with them. But so it's around 70, I think 68, 79, 70, something like that. But one of the things that I really want to get across is there are literally 10,000 things that I look for on a day's work. A regular radiologist will look for 10,000 things. Now we only find like, I don't know, 70 or 80 or 100, but we have to look for everything. And so this is just another indication of how early we are in this adoption process of AI. I personally want to see 1,000 algorithms. Like when we have 1,000, then I feel like a good deal of my work will be shared with the algorithms. But right now, it's more of a nifty thing for the regular radiologist. Now, don't get me wrong. At Stanford, like, oh my goodness, you know, they're doing all kinds of awesome stuff, and much different than the regular radiologist like me. And so I kind of see myself as the person trying to bridge that gap, literally between the regular radiologist and like the legit things that are happening at Stanford and Harvard and Chicago.
Like if you want to have a startup and work on a startup and there's AI IP, how protected that can be because you're working with companies. I'm wondering about that.
And so this is tricky, and this is another one of the challenges to navigate so early in our career. So one, medical doctors try to be scientists. I mean, not everyone is an MD, PhD, but we try and be scientific with our methods. And so we want to see that there's evidence to support what this algorithm is doing. So then if the company doesn't want to share that with anyone, then it's like, well, how do we gain that kind of support? And so then the question is, okay, well, can some of it be open? Some of it placed on GitHub, like a place where people can see what the code actually looks like, but some of it's kind of held behind. And so I think what we've sort of landed on now is image recognition, like the general algorithmic part of recognizing the image. Sure, that can be on GitHub and we can get that. But to find an adrenal adenoma, like the tiny thing in the adrenal gland, okay, we'll pull that one back. We'll show it to the FDA for the 510K, and that will be like our secret sauce that we can try and go to market with. Could somebody like literally steal it and try and make it the competing adrenal adenoma? I mean, I guess, but there's so many other things to find. Like I would say, just find something else. Like, and once we have 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, then sure, the market will get competitive. Who can do it the best, the fastest, the cheapest? They'll rise to the top. But now, to the entrepreneurs out there that want to, I would say, just find something new. Find a radiologist or some other clinician that has a problem. You can make a new one.